Did you know your diamond engagement ring might have funded mass murder? In 1888, Cecil Rhodes founded De Beers and created the biggest lie in history. Diamonds are forever became the slogan that made millions believe these rocks were rare and precious. But when African nations gained independence in the 60s, De Beers faced losing control of their diamond mines. So they chose war over peace. They secretly funded rebel groups and government forces at the same time in Angola, Sierra Leone, and Congo. In Angola alone, De Beers paid $50 million annually to UNITA rebels while bribing government officials. This kept civil war raging for 27 years straight. Blood diamonds generated $125 million yearly for weapons, while De Beers' profits jumped from $500 million to $5 billion. 500,000 people died in Sierra Leone alone. De Beers executives knew every diamond sold was funding genocide, but they kept going. 90% market control was worth any price.